Hey guys, it's Bug here. So, I missed my first thing of Stupid Sunday. I know, I'm terrible. But to make it up for that, I am going on a nature hike today. So I am going to take you with me. Yay! Nature hikes, nature hikes, I hope y'all enjoy it. Looky. It's a little puddle, or a little river, just flowing. Boop, boop, boop. See, I was going to record my face now, but knowing me and my luck, as soon as I turn this freaking thing on me, I'm gonna end up slipping because I'm not paying any attention. God damn. It's overgrown like a motherfucker. Holy sheep shit. Doo doo. I just have this little river to follow. Normally, you follow these to civilization. I am following these to go further into the woods, because civilization is that way. Somebody already slipped. Hee hee hee. Oh fuck. I need concentration. That one house. One house. And back we go. Ah! So, this is a short little nature walk. Shorter than what I wanted. It was very quick. But mostly because my mom called, asking where I was at, and I told her she doesn't like me being here by myself. She says it's not good, because if something happens to me, then I'm screwed pretty much. And I said, you know what, Mommy? I'm a big girl. I can handle myself. I got this. But she says, no, you stop it. The perks of being an only child in life. All right. That was a pretty big step. So now we're walking back. We're walking back. My face looks like it's thinned up some to me. I don't know. Oh. Oh, I hate going uphill. This is terrible. Don't worry, guys. I will promise a sequel to this Thursday or maybe Saturday. Because this one's very short I want to get more in it than what I have. I'm probably going to go to one of the other nature trails. Fuck this shit, man. Uphills are a bitch. Hey, actually, that rock right there. That one. That one right there. I think that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. I slipped here a year ago or some shit like that. Fuck that. And landed on that flat on my thigh. That's gonna be something for stupid Sundays. Because I'm not gonna lie, I think that happened on a Sunday. I don't remember. All I know is it hurt and the bruise was bad. It lasted me, I'm gonna say, almost 2-3 months before I finally went away completely. But even then, there were still like those deep bruises that last like an additional 2 fucking months. Yeah, it was one of those. Didn't feel too good. And Uphill's halfway complete. Shaw! Fucking hell, man. This shit, I swear. And then here's my river. Bloop. That I'm following uphill. It's humid as balls. And hot. And fuck this shit. I'm out. These clouds are fucking awesome looking. And look at that shit. There's just this big old field out here. And trees. And then this. And then there's this. But dude, look at those clouds. I mean, holy shit. Just like a wave. It's so cool. So cool.